Yep, good evening. So yesterday we learnt about use reducer hook, how to work. So what is this use reducer? So use reducer, as I told you, that it uses a state container which is going to manage data across multiple requests, right? Two options are there. One is reducer, another one dispatch. Simple point, reducer defines actions, and dispatch, so it notifies so changes to actions. Dispatch will notify changes to actions. That is what actually it do. So reducer will define actions and dispatch will notify changes to action. So yesterday I showed you a basic example of how it is done. You can use the same example and you can add some more complex options if you want into that. So with Redux third party library, we can design another example. This is internally how to use reducer, right? So for this basic process, I already told you, three phases will be there. In the first phase, so we have to configure initial state. In the second phase, we have to define reducer. So in the third phase, we have to dispatch. These three phases will be there. Configuring the initial state, define the reducer, and dispatch. Right. So for example, now here I am defining some details. Let's see some details here. Let's create one simple action here. Already we have this example. So we will create some more little complex thing into this now. What we will do is we will create one fetch method also to fetch the data and display. I will do here. I'm creating a constant, and here I will define product, and I say set product and use state. It is just an empty detail. Actually, we will use effect. Same example, previous example, but here we are defining some use effect. And use effect uses a callback. And in this, what we are doing is we are using fetch and fetching data from fakestore api.com/products/123 any specific ID product. Then so response and response JSON and .then data, and we need to store this data set product. Whatever data is coming, we will store in this location. Now what we are doing here is we are designing a simple page here. I will create a heading. Suppose product details, and I will design a simple div. So class, so card, and P2, so like this. Okay, style and width as some 200 pixel. I defined this one here. Okay, right. Now, technically into this, we will keep an image, and image will have source src, and this is coming from the card, right? We have to display the card details. So this is accessing only one, right? So what you have to do, we have to define product dot, it is image. Okay, like, so this is a class name, card image top. Okay, then I defined here height. Height as, suppose height is generally some basic 160 pixel. Okay, then below this I will just put title, div, and class name, card body or card header, and here I will put title. So the product title, I am displaying that here, and in the card footer, div, class name, card footer, and here we have two buttons here. We have these two buttons, and let's keep this button with a span, and we have class name, in the class name bi, and bi thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up is there. Okay, we'll check once. So, and similarly thumb down. Here we have another span here. So bi thumb down, thumb up, thumb down. I think bootstrap icons. I will search for those. Yeah, hands thumbs up. Hand thumbs up. Okay, right. Bi hand thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, thumbs hyphen up. Hand thumbs up. Okay, this is same hand. Thumbs down. Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Fine. These two options are there. Okay. Now, this is a simple product details we are displaying additionally in the same previous example. Now I am configuring npm start. Now here we need to define the count details. Let it start first. Those additional classes also I am giving for that. Now, actually, when you configured the initial state, you can observe here The initial state contains only count, but this time what I am doing here is instead count I am defining here as likes is 0, and here I am adding, because it's an object, state can maintain any number of values. I defined as what? Dislikes. Dislikes also initially 0. Likes 0, dislikes 0, right? That means now here when like button is clicked, so this should increase state dot likes plus plus, and when this is clicked, it should put dislikes plus plus. Dislikes also count should increase. That means we are using multiple values, one to maintain the likes counter, another to maintain the dislikes. Yesterday we were incrementing and decrementing the same value. We can have multiple values, different values you can store into this. Okay, one more here is we need these likes and dislikes information to display. So what we are doing now, state can access that. What we are doing yesterday, we are dispatching, and this dispatch contains, so handle on click, like click, dislike click. What will happen here is like click, it will dispatch type like, automatically it will increment the likes counter. Now I want to display that here, right? That means how many likes are there, how many dislikes are there. I want